Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a unique skincare product that's been gaining a lot of attention. Minkissy Natural Silkworm Cocoons. If you're into natural skincare solutions, you'll definitely want to stick around for this review.
These silkworm cocoons are not your typical skincare item. They're marketed as a natural and chemical-free way to rejuvenate your skin, particularly by helping to remove blackheads and dead skin cells. Each pack contains 100 cocoons, promising a luxurious and gentle exfoliation experience. They're made from pure, organic silk, ensuring they're gentle and skin-friendly. Simply soak them in warm water, slip them onto your fingertips, and gently massage your face.
It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. Users claim these cocoons help to naturally remove impurities, leaving your skin brighter and smoother. While we don't delve into customer reviews, the product claims to provide noticeable results after consistent use. Users report smoother, more radiant skin and a reduction in blackheads. So, are Minkissy Natural Silkworm Cocoons worth the hype? If you're looking to incorporate natural skincare products into your routine and enjoy the idea of a unique exfoliation method,
these could be a great fit for you. That wraps up our review of Minkissy Natural Silkworm Cocoons. If you've tried them before or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one.
thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.